In this video, I'm going to show you how to download protected videos from any website. If you find this useful, please consider to leave a like and to subscribe to the channel. I really do appreciate it, guys. Thank you, guys. Now, the first step you need to do is to open your browser. I'm going to use Google Chrome. Then go to search and search for video download help. Then you are going to see their official website, which is www.downloadhelper.net. So you need to click on the link there. Then it will land you here on their homepage. So you are going to click on install for Chrome. Then add to Chrome. Then add extension. So as you can see, the video has already been installed. So in order to see it, you are going to click on that jigsaw icon on your top right corner. Then you will see it here, video downloader. So in order to pin it on your screen, you are going to click on this one, this pin here. Then as you can see, it has already been pinned. So once you've done that, you are just going to click on that icon. Then you are going to see settings icon on your left. So just click on it. Then go to more settings. Then you will go to install companion app. As you can see at the top here, we have companion app not installed. So we need to install this companion app. So just click on it. Then download for Windows 8, 10 and 11. So just click on download for Windows 8, 10 and 11. So as you can see, it is downloading at the top there. So after the file has finished to download, we're just going to double click on it to run the file. Then a security pop-up will appear on your screen. Just click on yes. Then you are going to follow the steps to install. So you are just going to click on continue. Then I agree. Then install. Then just click on finish. Once it has finished, now you will go to the video that you want to download. You will just open the website where you want to download the video. I'm going to open Vimeo. You will just go to the video that you want to download. Let's say, for example, I want to download this video here. I'm just going to open the video. Then I will allow the video to play for more than 5 seconds. Then once the video is played for more than 5 seconds, you will now go to the icon at the top there. This icon, the one that we had installed, video downloader helper. So click on it. Then you are going to see download options. Then you can download as audio, or you can copy the URL. But for this video, I'm just going to click on download, and you see the video has begun to download. Now, as you can see, the video has just finished to download. Now, in order to go to the location where this video has been downloaded, you are just going to click on that folder icon, show folder, besides play. As you can see, it has opened the folder where the video has been downloaded. It is downloaded in this folder. So you can just play the video because you have already downloaded it. So that's simply it, guys. That's how to download protected videos from any website. I hope this video was useful, and if it was, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thank you for watching, and hope to see you in the next one.